They contribute 40% of the GDP and 33% of the employment in the country. That is an important sector, and the SME has now been expanded to MSME to cover also the micro, because when the ceilings are being raised to 10 crore, the investment, but I was just sharing with one of our executives from ISB that when somebody goes to do a spinning mill of 14,000 quintals, the investment goes 35-40 crore. So there was a discussion in RBI when we told that the limit has to be raised to from 10 crores to 50 crores. The FIPCC has also made a study and also submitted a report which was being deliberated upon, because it's becoming large. When the focus on top line is there, the small man should also be taken note of. That is why micro has been added, and the government has spoken by the industry secretary. They have been giving subsidy for investment by NREGP program and all that. Quite a lot of subsidy is being given to take care of the initial days when these assistance will help them. And the 5-year assistance for the power also will go to reimburse the cost incurred to really come as an additional support besides the revenue earned then to their activity. And entrepreneur, we were just discussing with one of the participants that if we see in IIM Ahmedabad, I was just reading a book, Be Hungry, Be Foolish is the caption. It means if you have your own enterprise, then you are the owner. And we see quite a lot of MBA graduates are keen on setting up their own business, and even during the 2 years, in the first year, second year itself, they already have a project on hand and they have started earning. That is what the reports that we are having. So the entrepreneurs have the drive and they have the business plan, because their concept, an idea, there is a gap in some sort of a service, they latch upon the idea and really develop this, and with a proper technology, with the initial seed capital. Actually, in the book when I was reading about 20-30 entrepreneurs, how they started the business, they borrowed from their own family, their father pledged the house and gave the money and other, because the initial capital, they had their own money too, and the wife was working already, like every family here. So they were there to support and then go on their own. So they have the backup, they need not worry. And the SBI also has a scheme for funding the first time entrepreneurs in a small way with an additional capital also of 10 lakhs. So these are the major things that we should have an idea when we go with when an entrepreneur sets up a business. And we just wanted to capture and who are all the players in the various activities or required support who come in to support the SMEs, whether it's infrastructure provision, because APIIC gives, as he was saying, 10% for women entrepreneurs are reserving the land allotment, because infrastructure is one thing that financial institution can make available, whether roads or power. And he was saying 10 crores being given for we went to a cluster, so the government has central government has given some assistance for developing the cluster, and we have told all our regional managers we have around 26 regions in the entire state. Each regional manager should identify a cluster for development focus for the current year. We have told them, we are asking them to develop their business plan for the current year based on that cluster growth, so that will come in as a good support, because his industry secretary said around 500 conventional industries have been added in the state. But anyhow, our focus will be to develop on these clusters, so that a focused approach will be there. Already 2 clusters for the current year we have identified. We are developing plans for approval of loans. And I recently visited Sri City, that is on the edge of Chennai and Tamil Nadu and all that, is in Tada, where the SEs that they have already taken up, and they have also gone for educating the local population to measure up to their requirement. First, there is an incubation center, this is outside the SEs. They develop the knowledge of the local people with school education. They make them ready for job in the SEZ in units. That goes for the cluster development, the area development, the GDP increases like that, and SBI has been eager to take part in that venture. We have already met with it. Like that, quite a lot of integrated units are coming up to develop the local populace also. That becomes a successful enterprise.